The Gold Medal Classic, April 18th, Woodbridge Country Club. All the money there will help support both baseball team and the golf team. Both teams will be there in attendance. They will be helping you caddy. So the earlier you sign up, the better, because then you will get the golfers to help you caddy, not the baseball players, because you don't want to end up with John Haberman, who's just a terrible golfer, to help you caddy. So come on out, have a good time, and we'll see you there.